Hi everyone, and welcome to your Bedtime Bliss. This routine is designed to get you all set up for a great and restful sleep. So enjoy. All right, we'll start sitting here. Can be in your bed, can be on the ground. Make sure you're in comfy clothes. Simply getting in that mood to wind down. Let yourself have an easy sway around, a little side to side, or rock in one direction or the other way here. Just letting yourself really work out any kinks from the day. Just search around a bit, notice what you find. A great self-relaxation technique is just letting an elbow kind of dig into your inner thigh if that feels good. A few deep breaths while you're doing that, never hurts. And then let that shift side to side and round, start to turn into an easy twist around one side. You can grab the knee, fingertips behind you, lift up tall. And easy. Go around, let your head go, let your neck go. Round back through your middle, same thing other side. Big inhale, stretch. Easy. Twist around. All the way back through your middle here, and just fall on forward. Let your head go, your neck go. Roll around here in your body and your back. Just simply how it feels great for you. Rounding all the way up here. We'll come into a kind of relaxed pigeon pose here, leaning toward one side, that opposite leg float back behind you. You can grab a pillow or a blanket, whatever you've got handy there. Crawl yourself back, open up, maybe tuck your back toes. Make sure there's no pain in the knee there. Just crawl on forward. Really make sure you're sitting on that right thigh so you're nice and relaxed. A few big breaths here. If this isn't enough of a stretch, if you feel like you want a little bit more, you can always explore around one way or the other way. Just find that good spot where you're feeling good opening, but it's still not your biggest stretch ever. And just breathe. Crawling up from that one here, lean toward that bottom hip. Just slide your back leg around just with minimal effort. Pick up the leg. You can either just plop it in front of the other one or scooch it on top of the other one there. Nice and relaxed. Crawl your hands back, open up. And easy all the way up and over. You can use the pillow for an extra support. Rock a little side to side. Find that perfect place. And just breathe. And crawling up from this one here. Lean back a little bit. Grab a hold of the outside of this foot with your right hand, the opposite hand big, and hold the stretch up. Easy. Twist around a little more. Nice stretch. One more time. Big, and hold the lift. Easy. Gentle twist. Come all the way back around here. Cradle in this leg. Maybe just hold your foot, or if there's a little more room, you can kind of scooch it in closer toward you and just breathe. And we'll trade sides here. So putting that leg down is the bottom leg. Opposite leg just slides on the ground behind you, finding your really relaxed pigeon here. Again, find that balance from a nice stretch to a nice amount of relaxation. Find an easy way to crawl forward, one side or the other side, and just breathe in your whole body. crawl yourself up here. Lean toward this bottom hip so much. This back leg slides around. Pick it up here. Maybe just put it in front of the other one or scooch it on top of the other one. And again, arrange yourself so you feel a good opening, but no extra tweaking here. Big inhale to stretch back. And easy all the way up and over this leg here. Just relax. Crawl from this one here. Lean back a little bit. Grab a hold of the underside of this foot. Crawl your hand to the outside of this foot. Opposite hands behind you. Big inhale to stretch tall. Easy. Go around. One more time like that. Big inhale to make some room. Easy. Go around. Crawl back toward your middle here. Scooching your leg a little closer toward you. One more squeeze, little rock. Relax out of this one here. Just stretch your legs out in front of you here. You can grab a pillow or a blanket, bring it a little closer toward your body. Rock a little side to side to get a good spot. For this one, just relax your legs, relax your feet. Crawl your hands back behind you. Open up. And easy, all the way up and over here. Just breathe. Drop your head and neck if that feels comfortable. Just let your feet relax. When you're ready, roll up from this one here nice and gently. You can scoot your pillow or your blanket out of your way. And ease yourself on down. Grab your knees with you for the ride. Catch a hold of your knees. Drop your knees away from you here a little bit. It should feel like a nice amount of traction from the top of your head all the way down through your tailbone. And one gentle twist here. Let your arms open out to your sides. Knees falling to one side. Just breathe. And when you're ready, letting your knees fall to the other side. Breathe really big in your belly. Back to your middle if you want to just stay here and go to bed. That's great. If you'd like to round up and do some easy breathing, that's great too. But staying in this nice, gentle frame of mind, whatever you're up to. It's a great moment to come back to yourself. Just breathe. Have a wonderful night's sleep, and I'll see you soon.